Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be opening this iPhone 16 Pro, and so I'm going to tell y'all what the new features are. So starting off, this is a 6.3-inch display, and the display's OLED, and of course you probably guys all heard of the new Apple Intelligence, where you just hold this button and then Apple Intelligence comes in. And then this is a 250, no, never mind, this is a 128 gigabyte iPhone, and of course this comes with a USB-C cable. And yeah, so this is the camera button. That's a new feature for the new iPhone. It's in all of the models, not just the Pro and Pro Max. It's pressure sensitive and it's made out of sapphire. It's really there just to make it to change the settings easier while you're taking a photo, so you don't have to move your phone every time you do that. So you can, all you need is a UV light to always just check if it's real. So say iPhone here wants to shine it, and a QR code. And yeah, so all you will get in the box is a USB-C cable and the iPhone, and just a few papers for the manual and stuff. And the new iPhones, they all come in a matte finish, which I personally like, and some people don't. And it just feels better. I just like matte finishes overall. As you can see, the camera button, right there. And cable, the manual, and that's all you get in the box. You can put that aside. Let's take the cable out. And they usually come with a decent amount of charge, so you can set them up. And since this is going to be this phone is for my mom, she uses Apple, so we can probably, the transfer will be faster than an Android. But the Android transfers are pretty fast, I heard. So let's just pop this thing off. It's so satisfying. Okay, so I'm gonna power this on, and then we're gonna transfer all the data from this to here. There's a lot of weight difference, I can see. So I will be back when it starts up and the transfer will start. Okay, so it just booted up, and we're gonna start the transfer. Set up a new iPhone. Okay, I'm gonna go get the password real fast. Okay, so it's working, I guess. Off your other iPhone. There. Okay, so it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. It should be fast, I mean. So I'm just gonna turn the video back on once we're done. Okay, so now it's activating the eSIM, and it says connecting iPhone to cellular network. This may take a few minutes. Let's just wait another few minutes. Okay, so it says activating eSIM. You can continue setting up your iPhone while eSIM is activating. So now we can actually do something while it will be activating the eSIM. So this is the same thing it said when I was turning on my Apple Watch. Face ID, we'll set that up later. Continue. Agree, make this your new iPhone. Sure. Okay, silent. Alright, okay, now the tutorial starts. Press and hold the silent mode. Oh. Okay, so silent mode on and off. You can also customize action button to open camera, turn on flashlight, or access a favorite iPhone feature. I'm just gonna do not know. You can set all that later. Camera control. This is a new feature, only on the iPhone 16. Click camera control to open the camera app, then click it again to use the shutter. Apple Intelligence. So this is running beta right now. Personal intelligence is in. Okay, sure. Siri.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Sure, we can change that later too. Doesn't really matter.
चेंज कर दूं मम्मी का ना तो
Okay, so apparently it has a software update. This should be fast because I just did this update on this iPhone yesterday. And I guess okay, so the transfer has been complete, and now it's just giving me a quick tutorial. So skip that, camera control and all that stuff. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started there. So the transfer is complete, I guess, and has all the apps, of course, that this old phone has. Got the same wallpaper. So the transfer is complete, and I'll show you guys all the new features once all these apps are done downloading. So the two main features I wanted to show you guys is Apple Intelligence, where you just hold this and it comes in, and you can just press this button once. Open the camera app to zoom in, and you can use it to like take photos. Those are the main new features of the iPhone 16 Pro.